There's a reason certain YouTube channels feel less like content and more like premium streaming documentaries. They don't rely on hype, they don't rely on controversy, and they definitely don't rely on showing a personality. Instead, they build tension, they build atmosphere, they build authority. One of the best examples of this model is Magnate's Media. If you study their catalog carefully, you'll notice something strategic happening beneath the surface. They don't just make videos about business, they manufacture narrative tension around power. Every upload feels like a case study in ambition, ego, greed, and collapse. The subjects are often billionaires, CEOs, corporate giants, or entire industries. But the real product isn't information, it's psychological storytelling. And that's why the channel works. Because audiences are not just curious about wealth, they're fascinated by what happens when power breaks. Look at the structural patterns. Strong cinematic cold open, immediate stakes, controlled pacing, escalation through layered revelations, a dramatic inflection point, aftermath and consequence. It mirrors traditional documentary filmmaking, but optimized for YouTube retention metrics. And here's what makes this powerful. This model is scalable. It doesn't require on-camera presence. It doesn't require daily uploads. It doesn't depend on viral trends. It depends on structure. Once you understand the framework, you can replicate it across tech founders, fashion empires, crypto collapses, political scandals, corporate fraud cases, media moguls. From this kind of content, they are pulling over more than 191 million views and 1.84 million subscribers, which is a big number for a channel which does not daily upload, which do not use any extra skill. Step 1. Topic generation. First, we need a unique documentary topic. For that, I created a ready-made topic finder prompt. Just open the Google Docs link in the description, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT or Claude. It will instantly generate 10 unique documentary topics that have viral potential. Choose the one you like the most. Step 2. Script generation. Now we need the documentary script. In the same Google Docs file, you'll find a scriptwriter prompt. Copy that prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Then simply insert the topic you selected in the topic section. Claude will generate a complete documentary-style script ready for narration. Step 3. Voiceover. For voiceover, we will use Google AI Studio. Copy the script you generated in Step 2 and paste it into Google AI Studio. Then add this instruction, documentary narration tone. It will generate a professional documentary-style voiceover automatically. Step 4. Image generation. Next, we need visuals. Go to Google Labs ImageFX. First, go back to Claude and paste the image prompt generator from the Google Docs. Then paste your script below that prompt. Claude will generate scene-by-scene image prompts based on your script. Copy each prompt and paste it into ImageFX to generate images for every scene. Step 5. Animation. Now we animate those images. Go to the animation prompt section in the Google Docs and copy it. Paste it in Claude below the image prompts and it will generate animation instructions for each scene. Now open Meta AI Video Generator, upload your images, and paste the relevant animation prompt. This will convert your images into animated documentary scenes. Step 6. Editing the video. Now combine everything. Import the animated clips from Step 5 and the voiceover from Step 3 into your video editor. Align the visuals with the narration. Your documentary video is ready. Step 7. Thumbnail. Finally, we need a thumbnail. Copy the thumbnail generator prompt from the Google Docs and paste it into ChatGPT. Then insert your script from Step 2. ChatGPT will generate a high-click documentary-style thumbnail prompt you can use in AI image generators. And that's the exact AI workflow I use to create documentary-style YouTube videos from scratch.